This is our Chevalier 618 ball roller hand feed grinder. It's a model FSG 618M. Serial number is A38830327, new in 2000. It has a 618 Kinetsu chuck, halogen water plate. We're going to bring it on and just show you some table movements. Not a lot to see, but you'll get to see she is functioning. We have a wheel mount, the cover, which goes on here. I took off so you could see. And we're going to bring it on. Spindle, quiet. You can see ball roller table, can move it effortlessly. Cross. Not much backlash. Smooth. And bouncy. This is our Chevalier 618 hand feed ball roller grinder. Currently wired 220 volt 3-phase. Thank you for watching.